Hey, what's up, you guys? Do you want a chat like this, filled with different kinds of emojis, lines, and different fonts? Well, watch until the end to find out how. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could have a chat, which I showed in the intro. So the first website which you could use is smiley.cool. So here you have different things. You have classic emoji lift, you have Facebook emoji lift, you have Twitter emoji, and all these stuff. You can go, all you need to do is copy and paste. So you can use different of these and you can just mess them up and make a cool chat. Next is Nick Finder. This is mostly a nickname finder. Like, let's say I'm gonna say Bubbles. So you could get these nicknames. So if you say add symbols, then you could get these, and you can just generate others and other until you're satisfied. You can also search here. You can also search here, and you could get so cute ones, and you can use them, and they're gonna look so awesomely cute. Two websites I wanted to show you. I hope you mess with them and get awesome stuff. Bye, guys.